Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Have you already watched our comparison of Smartisan Nut Pro 2 and 11U Pro? We also compared cameras, and Smartisan device looks much better. By the way, the links to the video with unboxing and performance test of Smartisan Nut Pro 2 in description. Now let's talk in details about the camera of this smartphone. Smartisan Nut Pro 2 has dual-rear camera. The main sensor is large and it protrudes from the back panel. It is 12-megapixel sensor Sony IMX386 with f1.8 aperture, face detection autofocus and dual LED flash. Also it has blue filter glass. The secondary sensor has resolution of 5 megapixel and f2.0 aperture. The second sensor is used only for bokeh effect. It cannot shoot independently. The maximum photo resolution is 3968 by 2976 pixels. Also, the main camera is capable to shoot videos at 720p, 1080p and 4K resolution at 30 fps. Smartisan Nut Pro 2 has 16-megapixel front camera from Samsung. It has f2.0 aperture. The maximum photo resolution is 4608 by 3456 pixels. Also, it shoots 1080p videos at 30 fps. By the way, the front camera offers face recognition and unlock. We talked about this feature in the previous videos. As you know, Smartisan Nut Pro 2 runs on its own Smartisan OS. It has very customized user interface with additional functions, widgets, menu and others. The camera app is also very different from stock Android. Nevertheless, it is very easy to use. As usual, the shutter button is located at the bottom, and above it you can find other modes such as video, photo, bokeh, pro, QR code and others. There is also settings menu with more options like shutter mute, video and photo resolution, etc. The top of the screen offers some other options: LED flash, HDR mode, beautify. The camera app also has some photo editing options, for example, filters, crop and levels adjustments. Now let's see real sample photos. Fortunately, today I have a sunny day, so the photos are really good. By the way, do you know that Smartisan Nut Pro 2 has the same main sensor as Xiaomi Mi 6, Mi Note 3 and Mi Mix 2? It is really stunning and lets you take great shots. As you can see, the images outdoors and even indoors are equally good. They are detailed, clear and bright. As for the second sensor, it helps you to take quality photos with bokeh effect. Also, you can change the level of blur after taking a photo. In low-light conditions, especially at night, the quality of the photo is worse, but still decent. The most images have natural colors and good detail. Of course, it is better to look for well-lit places or use a flash, but even without this, the pictures are good. The 16-megapixel front camera also takes very good selfies. I'm very pleased with this camera. The situation is the same with video recording. In daytime you can get really good videos with bright colors, good details and smooth enough. The footage at night is also good, compared to other devices from this price category. We know that the main problem of budget and mid-range phones is the shooting at night, but Smartisan Nut Pro 2 does a good job. Smartisan Nut Pro 2 has really good cameras. The camera comes with the same rear sensor as flagship phones from Xiaomi like Mi 6 and Mi Note 3, and the same front camera as Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus. I think it says a lot. And really, the smartphone shoots good photos and video. Perhaps this is one of the best camera on smartphone that we reviewed for the last time. It is almost as good as the camera on Xiaomi Mi Note 3. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find other videos about Smartisan Nut Pro 2 and link where to buy smartphone cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.